Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of woodcraft ideas for interactive installations in woodworking world. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Interactive installations in the woodworking world represent a captivating fusion of art, design, and audience engagement, allowing woodworkers to transform traditional craftsmanship into immersive experiences that invite participation. One compelling idea is the creation of a wooden maze or labyrinth that encourages exploration and play. Such installations can be designed with varying heights and complexities, using different types of wood to create visually striking patterns and textures. The maze could incorporate elements like sliding doors, hidden compartments, or sound effects triggered by movement, engaging visitors in a tactile and auditory journey that stimulates their senses. This kind of installation not only showcases the beauty and versatility of wood as a medium, but also encourages people to interact with the piece, making it a dynamic work of art that evolves with each visitor's presence. Another intriguing concept is the development of a kinetic sculpture made from wood, where movement becomes an integral part of the experience. Artisans can craft pieces that sway, spin, or shift in response to touch or environmental factors such as wind. By incorporating mechanisms such as gears and levers, woodworkers can create intricate designs that not only capture attention, but also inspire curiosity about the mechanics behind the movement. For example, a large wooden pendulum that swings rhythmically can create a mesmerizing visual display while inviting viewers to contemplate the relationship between art and physics. Kinetic sculptures can serve as a reminder of the beauty of motion and the interplay between art and craftsmanship, inviting onlookers to appreciate the skill involved in bringing such creations to life. In addition to standalone sculptures, interactive installations can also take the form of participatory furniture that encourages communal use. Imagine a large, communal table made from reclaimed wood, designed with various sections that can be rearranged to accommodate different group sizes and activities. This table could feature integrated technology, such as touch-sensitive surfaces that allow users to play games or share digital content while enjoying meals or discussions. The design could also incorporate elements that encourage interaction, such as built-in whiteboards for brainstorming sessions or slots for inserting personal notes and drawings. By creating a space that fosters collaboration and creativity, woodworkers can transform an ordinary piece of furniture into a vibrant hub of social activity. Another fascinating idea is the creation of a sound installation that uses wood as both a structural and acoustic element. By designing large wooden resonators or sound boxes, artisans can craft an installation that invites visitors to interact with the piece and produce musical sounds. For instance, a series of wooden tubes of varying lengths can be arranged in a visually appealing pattern, allowing participants to strike them with mallets to create harmonious melodies. This kind of engagement not only showcases the acoustic properties of wood, but also allows individuals to experience the joy of making music collaboratively. The installation can be designed to accommodate people of all ages, fostering creativity and exploration in a playful environment. Dear viewers, are you enjoying our today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Woodworking installations can also delve into the realm of storytelling and narrative. A wooden story walk, for example, could be designed as a series of panels or sculptures that depict scenes from a story, inviting viewers to walk through and experience the narrative in a physical space. Each panel could be intricately carved or painted, illustrating different parts of the story while encouraging interaction. Participants might be invited to touch the panels, listen to audio recordings, or even contribute their own stories through a communal storytelling platform integrated into the installation. This approach not only brings literature to life, but also engages the audience in a meaningful way, allowing them to connect with the narrative and each other in a shared experience. Another thought-provoking concept is the creation of a reflection space that encourages mindfulness and contemplation. Woodworkers can craft a serene installation that features wooden benches, pathways, and sound elements designed to create a calming environment. The installation could incorporate natural materials, such as branches and stones, blending seamlessly with the surrounding landscape. Visitors would be invited to sit, meditate, or simply enjoy the tranquility of the space, interacting with the installation through their presence and reflections. This type of project highlights the therapeutic qualities of both wood and nature, encouraging individuals to take a moment to pause and connect with their surroundings. Wood can also be used to create interactive educational installations that engage audiences in learning about woodworking techniques, sustainability, and the properties of different wood species. Imagine an installation that includes hands-on stations where visitors can try their hand at basic woodworking skills, such as sanding, drilling, or assembling small projects. Each station could be equipped with tools and materials, allowing participants to create something tangible while gaining insights into the craftsmanship involved. Additionally, educational panels could provide information about the origins of the wood used, the importance of sustainable forestry practices, and the cultural significance of woodworking in various traditions. This kind of interactive experience not only fosters a deeper appreciation for woodworking, but also empowers individuals to explore their own creativity. Incorporating technology into wooden installations can further enhance interactivity and engagement. For example, a digital projection system could be used to overlay interactive visuals onto a wooden sculpture, responding to the movements of viewers as they interact with the piece. This integration of digital media and traditional craftsmanship can create a mesmerizing experience, encouraging participants to explore the relationship between physical and virtual worlds. Artisans can experiment with augmented reality applications that allow visitors to see additional layers of information, animations, or artistic interpretations of the woodwork, further enriching the experience and inviting deeper engagement. Moreover, community-driven projects can transform woodworking installations into collaborative endeavors that celebrate local culture and creativity. By involving community members in the design and construction process, woodworkers can create installations that reflect the unique identity and stories of the area. For instance, a large-scale mural made from wooden panels could depict the history of the community, with each panel representing different aspects of local life. Community members could be invited to contribute their own designs or messages, fostering a sense of ownership and connection to the installation. Such projects not only beautify public spaces, but also strengthen community ties and promote conversations around shared experiences and histories. Interactive installations in the woodworking world offer a rich playground for creativity, innovation, and audience engagement. By transforming traditional woodworking into immersive experiences, artisans can invite participation and foster connections between the audience and the artwork. From kinetic sculptures and communal furniture to sound installations and storytelling walks, the possibilities are endless. Each project serves as a testament to the versatility of wood and the boundless creativity of those who work with it, allowing woodworkers to explore new dimensions of their craft while inspiring others to engage with art in meaningful ways. As these installations continue to evolve, they not only celebrate the beauty of woodworking, but also create spaces for connection, reflection, and shared experiences that resonate within communities and beyond. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked for woodcraft ideas for interactive installations in woodworking world. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos.